Gunjan, you can start. Gunjan? Hello, Gunjan? Hello, Gunjan?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Gunjan?
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello.
Please start the presentation.
Yes, sir. Sir, my screen is visible to you.
Yes, yes, Gunjan, it's visible.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon to all. SNJB is led Sau Kantabai Bhavarlalji College of Engineering, Department of IT, in association with IIT Committee, is welcoming you all in this session of robotics process and automation. I welcome our today's speaker, Ms. Chaitanya Kulkarni sir and Ms. Bhagyashree Lalwani ma'am. Our speaker will share some important knowledge about the robotics process automation. So I request you all do listen carefully whatever the knowledge and information they're gonna share with us. So without wasting too much time, I introduce our first young speaker, Ms. Bhagyashree Lalwani ma'am, who is working as a software developer at Integrity Chain Private Limited, Pune. I request you, ma'am, to take a charge of for the session. Ma'am.
Uh, Gunjan, please make Chaitanya Kulkarni sir as a host because sir is going to share the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. Just a minute, sir.
So you can find me with the name of Chaitanya.
Yes, sir. Sir, I make you as a host.
Okay. Yes, I can share my screen, and do let me know if you can see my screen and if I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. You're audible and your screen is
Okay.
also visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So first of all, thank you very much to the college for giving us this opportunity to present the latest technology that is booming in the industry right now, and that is called as robotic process automation. So myself, Chaitanya Kulkarni, I'm working as a consultant with T Systems India. And before we start this session, I would like to let you know that why this session is important for you. Like the reason is it can help you to grab the best opportunity in the market with high package. So this is robotic process automation is one of the leading technology in the market right now, and it can help you, guide you to get the best packages in the market. So that's why we have targeted the students to learn the robotic process automation. So we will discuss what exactly it is and why it is so buzzword in the market right now and why it is booming technology right now. So first of all, what is RPA? RPA, that is the same what robotic process automation. So RPA or robotic process automation, it is a technology to automate the rule-based and repetitive task in the organization. So in the companies or in the organizations, there are many tasks which are repetitive work. Like for example, the easiest task which is repetitive is sending the checking if today is there anybody's birthday, and if yes, then send a mail to that person. So this is repetitive task. Every day the person has to check manually that okay, today is someone's birthday, then get his mail ID and send the mail to him that happy birthday. Or the other example would be like entering the data from Excel sheet into some application. So there are many organizations which do the data entry work, which repetitively enters the data from the Excel one by one to the some desktop application or web application. So these are the repetitive work which can be automated using RPA technology or robotic process automation. Robotic process automation is not any physical robots. So basically there are no any physical robot with hands and legs and a face. So it's a software code which runs automatically and does the repetitive task or does your job. Whatever processes are repetitive, that can be automated using robotic process automation. It operates 24/7. Like if I have not 4 or 5 excel rows in the excel that I need to fill into any form or any desktop application, if I have 1,000 2,000 rows, it will work continuously without any break or without any leaves or taking any tea breaks. So it works 24/7. So this is the technology that most of the companies are using to automate their internal processes. Okay, so in for giving an example, in my company they have the process of generating the salary slips of all the employees every month. So this is a repetitive task. They perform the salary slip generation every month for each employee. There are around 2,000 employees, so it is very hectic, bore and manual work to do. So this process can be automated using robotic process automation. And the people who develop these codes or these scripts, we can say, are known as RPA developers. So we will come to that point later. So let me know if you have any questions here around RPA, what robotic process automation is actually. If anyone has any questions around this, please let me know
If
now.
anyone have any doubt related to the term RPA, you can ask the question to sir. Okay.
Okay, so I consider it as a no. So where is RPA used actually? Which companies are using robotic process automations? We will have a look on that. It is used in customer service domain, like whenever end customer sends a email or complaining something like your product was not good or not that I'm not happy with your service. These mails are read automatically by the robotic process automation and are replied to the customer that okay, our service agents are looking into it. So most of the time you might have noticed that you get a reply within a minutes from complaining. So those are the automated emails which are sent using RPA. The second one is accounting. So companies are using it for accountings, to make the calculations and to operate the excels. So whatever accounting processes are there in the finance or in the companies, those are completely automated using robotic process automation. Even same way financial services can be automated. Then the healthcare domain, for example, entering the details of patients into some forms, that can be automated. Sending the prescriptions to the patients on the email, that processes can be automated. The human resource or the HR are using RPA to automate, like HR get lot of emails or lot of resumes in a day of a candidates. So the RPA can be used to download those resumes and check if that candidate is eligible for the vacancy or not. That can be automated as well. So there are n number of use cases in which RPA can be used, and the processes, the manual processes can be automated basically. Benefits of RPA: as we are automating the rule based and repetitive task, it helps, it reduces the error. Okay, so whatever human used to do, whatever hectic task or hectic work before human used to do for longer working hours, that has been completely automated by RPA, and it results into reduced in the error. And as the errors are reduced, of course we will get good return on investments. Whatever company invest on the RPA, it gives the proper return on the investments. Then there are other advantages, as we can scale it, and the RPA is completely flexible. We can use it wherever we want. Okay, whatever processes we need to automate, that can be completely automated using robotic process automation. Why RPA is for you? So the question is like, why RPA is for you guys? So first of all, it is the advanced technology that is being currently used in the companies and industries. Many people are looking for RPA developer. Many organizations are looking for RPA developers. Okay, so it is the technology in demand. The technology, this technology has high demand and less developers right now. So there are many organizations requesting for hiring for RPA developers, but the resources are less in the market. This does not require any coding. Okay, you don't need to know any coding language to automate the processes. You can just I will moving forward, Bhagyashri will explain how we can develop the code, but right now just remember, this does not require any coding. Free to learn and get started. So it is completely free for you to learn this technology and get started and get the first break of your career in it. There are higher salaries in the market for this technology. So robotic process automation, as it is under the, it is a subset of artificial intelligence, so it has higher salaries in the market. And as there is a high demand and less resources, as I said, the salaries are less. So if we just google it, RPA developer jobs in Pune, I can find the companies. There are 100 plus jobs right now which are available. So there are companies which are looking for RPA developers. So IBM is right now looking. So just I want to explain how what is the demand of this technology as of now. So this can help you to grab the job opportunities quickly and easily, and that too without any coding language to be known. Okay, then where to get started? So you might be thinking, I told that this is completely free to learn and all, but you might be thinking, where should I learn it from all? Okay, so if you visit the page of academy.uipath.com, so this is a completely free source to learn the RPA, that is robotic process automation, and get started with RPA. Okay, so once you I will just ping this link maybe in the chat so you can refer it later.
Yes, sir. Please share it in a chat box.
Yeah. Okay, so I have pinged it into the chat. So this academy.uipath.com, you can just go into it, sign in using your Gmail account, and once you sign in, you can find courses or suppose learning by role. Okay, once you go to learning by role, then here there are multiple courses to be taken, but you can start with RPA developer foundation, this course, which is has 13 sub courses and is of 39 hours. So this is completely free, and once you complete all this, you will get a certification as well, which you can add in your CV and in your resume, and you can showcase it to the recruiters. Okay, so once you complete this course, at the end you will get a diploma certification that will be absolutely free, for no doubt, and it will help you a lot in getting the job as an RPA developer. Maybe being you guys being a fresher, it will the job title might be intern or as a trainee, but I would I would recommend you to do this because it is the most emerging technology and the future of this is more growing. So this would be the good opportunity for you guys to get started with. Okay, any questions till now? Okay, fine. So no worries. I would request Bhagyashri to share her screen and explain how this code can be executed. You are not audible, Bhagyashri. Your voice is low, a bit low.
Hello. Hello. Yes, ma'am, you are
Yeah,
audible.
yeah.
Can you pass the post to me so I can share my screen?
Bhageshri madam, you are not
Yeah,
properly
done.
audible.
Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible now?
Your voice is not clear, madam.
Let me change that. Hello.
Okay, maybe Bhagishri, you can mute and share your screen, and I will explain. Okay. So basically, this is where this is called as Studio, where we develop the robotic process automation, or what we can call this as automation scripts. So uh, as I said, there is no need to write any code. Okay, so you can just go to activities panel in the left side. I will just show how easy it is to build the automation using this Studio. And then you can drag and drop. This is the example we are taking. You can suppose I want to open any browser, so you can just drag and drop open browser activity. Yeah, so you can see here open browser activity, where it we can select the which browser I want to open, and also I can give the URL that I want to open. Okay, so you can just run this example bot. So we have given the website, and here we are selecting the browser that we want to open. Click on drop down. Okay, so she has selected the Chrome browser, or okay, and then just run till open browser as of now. Run file, click on run file. Run file. So you have run the main XAML. You should click on run file. Okay. So basically she will just run the file example that we have built, which is nothing but just a open browser activity inside it. It will, the bot has ran and the browser has been opened successfully. So can you show? Yes. Okay, so this is the browser which is opened. Now suppose I want to type something in the this box. Okay, can you go and use the type into activity? In the example, use the type into activity. Yeah, so from the activities panel I will just drag and drop the type into activity. So it is as simple as that. You don't need to write any code for this. In the double quotes you can give what you want to type. So suppose she wants to type in this particular city, time in this particular city. Then she has to indicate the element where she has to tell the bot that where it should type. Okay, so it will identify it. No, first okay, so once you do this and run the bot, it has opened the browser. This is completely automated script which is executing. and it has typed the current time in this. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Just drag and drop and run it. So here we are indicating that where we want to type, where the bot should type and what it should execute. Okay, so that is it. So you can learn all this from the scratch, right from how to download and install this studio and everything on the from the academy.uipath.com that we have pinged the link in the chat. And if in case you have any queries, you can reach us on LinkedIn or any platform wherever we are available. That would be a big help for you. So we like it will be helpful for you to grab this opportunity in the market as a RPA developer with good salaries. Thank you, Bhagesh. You can stop sharing your screen. Okay, so that was all about robotic process automation. If you guys have any queries, please let me know.
Sir, I have one query. That studio
Yeah.
is open source, sir?
Yes, it is. There are two versions. The first is community version, which is free for all for learning purpose. There is no license charges. But if we want to execute these automations on the industry basis, then they need to pay the charges. The organization has to pay the charges for that. Else, for students and for learning, it is completely free.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Any other student have any questions? You can please ask. Sir is there to answer your questions. Please ask. Please ask the question if you have.
Okay, then I consider it as no. And if you later on while learning also, if you get any questions, do ping me on LinkedIn. I will be available there.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much,
If
sir. Thank
no
you.
one have any doubts, so I would like to conclude this session. Thank you, sir and madam, for sharing the detailed discussion on robotic process automation. I promise you, sir, that all our students will follow all the instruction which is given by you, and they will create their account and they will try to run all the applications which you have demonstrated. I
Sure.
would like to thank you, both of you, and also would like to thank our management, our principal sir, our HOD sir, for allowing this session. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. Same to you. Thank you. Bye.